are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, we are going to see quick and easy chocolate bundt cake. Very tasty yet very easy to make. Let's go and see this recipe. There are so many dessert recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to check them out, link will be in the description box below. Do try them and let me know how they turned out. Your comment is very valuable to me. Do share with me how everything is turning out. Now let's go and see this yummy recipe. Let's look at the ingredients we need to make this yummy chocolate cake. I'm using a bundt pan. This is one-time investment. You invest one time and it's there for you forever. And Hershey Kisses. You need Hershey Kisses for this cake. This is a quick and easy enhanced box cake. Do try it. And vegetable oil or any flavorless oil, sour cream, 4 eggs, 1 chocolate mix, cake mix, any brand is fine, and 1 instant pudding mix, chocolate pudding mix, you can see, and sugar. So let's combine the ingredients and we'll make our cake first. And then I'll show you the ingredients you need to make the frosting. We'll add to a bowl everything. First goes in our chocolate pudding mix, dry. Just add 1 packet entirely. And I'm preheating the oven in the back to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm adding 1 chocolate cake mix. And then goes in our half cup of sugar. Half cup. Oh, this is 1/4. Yeah. Sorry. Half cup of sugar. And then goes in our half cup of sour cream. I love these cubes. They are so convenient to use. So I am using half cup. And then goes in our 3/4 cup of oil. And then goes in our 3/4 cup of water. Exact measurements. And the last ingredient is 4 eggs, 4 large eggs. So let's add them. Let's mix them nicely. Our batter is thoroughly mixed in. Now we are going to transfer into the bundt pan. I sprayed it with a spray, oil spray, and put it in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's first transfer it. Now that the batter is in the pan, we are going to add exactly 14 Hershey Kisses to the batter. So let's add them. Let's just drop them. Just drop. This chocolate will make the cake extra gooey inside. It will be really gooey. So add all the 14 kisses to make it more extra chocolatey and gooey. Finally, I have all my chocolates in. Let's put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And when it cools down completely, we'll frost the cake. cake is ready and it's cooling down. Let it cool a little bit, at least half an hour to 1 hour, and then we'll frost it with cream cheese. For frosting, you need to keep it at room temperature so that it will nicely frost the cake. So let's wait. Our cake cool down, we'll run the knife, like steak knife, through the sides to make sure it's upright from all the sides. You can use any cake pan you want. It just looks prettier this way, from middle to, so that everything comes off smoothly and easily. That's it. I hope I don't damage the cake. I'm an expert at that. But let's flip it. Are you ready? Hope it comes. We'll do it this way. Top it and flip it. Think it came, but let's see. Ooh, perfect cake. You can see the steam coming through from that. Let it cool down completely and then we'll frost it. I took 12 ounces of cream cheese, 1.5 bar of cream cheese. If you take a standard Philadelphia cream cheese, it's 1.5 bar. First we'll mix this nicely and then add 4 cups of sugar. So let's go. It's little bit flat out, so we are going to add 4 cups of sugar to this. You can reduce the sugar quantity if you want. It will taste okay, not bad, because the cake is also sweet. You can reduce it to 2 cups or 3 cups. I am not reducing, but it will work. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and when the frosting is ready, I'll show you. Frosting is ready. I'm filling it into a piping bag. You can use Ziploc bag. It will not make a difference. So let's fill it up and then we'll pipe it into the cake. You can see my daughter is piping it, but it's basically the lines you draw, or any way you want to decorate it, you can decorate it. It's pretty easy to handle. It won't trouble you at all. See this. After everything is done, I will show you again. My beautiful, beautiful chocolate bundt cake is ready. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. It will taste great for birthdays, anniversary, anything you can imagine, any occasion. It will absolutely taste really, really good and gooey. We just enhance the boxed cake. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you do like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be back with a new video next time. Until then, bye. Stay safe and happy.